Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as the owner of a Google partner company. Now, let's move on to the question I have today. And the question is better clicks and impressions but less conversion on Google Ads. Last month, same time period was September 1 to September 13. I got less clicks and less impressions, but the conversions were good. Like we were getting 3 to 4 leads per day. Now, this month, we got 2x the clicks and impressions for October 1 to 13 October. But we are getting 1 to 2 leads per day. I checked the auction insights and there I analyzed that last month we had an impression share of around 26% and the other competitors had somewhat similar to it. Now this month us and other competitors have an impression of around 12 to 13%. Is this something affecting externally or is there anything inside the campaign? I added a new group adding all the top performing keywords with a phrase match type. The previous ad groups have a broad match type. Okay, so there are few things which someone has to analyze before making a decision. For instance, when you said that you have 12 to 30% impression share this month and last month you had 26% impression share, and if you're targeting the same keyword, so what happened exactly was there is an increase in the demand. Probably it's due to the peak season is over here. October, November, December seems to be the peak season, so maybe. But such a high demand of that product seems very less likely unless and until there is a new model launch or some, for instance, there is a game like there is a like GTA games, and someday after GTA 5 you get a GTA 6, so you can see that demand has suddenly increased for that new product. So unless and until if it's a new launch change, you do not expect this kind of a change drastically. So in my opinion, there are other things which you have to look around before optimizing on conversions. Now, because you said that the last one you got good conversion, 3 to 4 leads a day, and now you're getting 1 to 2 leads. So my question is, okay, you can understand which keywords are working and you have added the top performing keywords with phrase match. Okay, my question to you is, have you added negative keywords? My question to you is, and have you looked around the more data on when those keywords are converting, the exact time frame, the days, the location? Focus on that also seems to be very important. The same buying keyword can work at a different hour and cannot work at a different hour. We need to understand, there is also a buying trend of the user. We need to understand when the user can buy and when the user cannot buy. So every audience has a different perception. So my opinion is look around on that, and then we can spend more data more on that, optimizing, learning around what kind of a days, what kind of hours, what kind of a keywords, and then add those keywords specifically and look around for your average ad position as well. So few data from my side also, because that you told last time that you were running broad match and now you shifted to phrase match, and instead of increasing conversion you saw a decline. My question to you is, have you looked around the exact search terms and look around through which keywords the people are coming? Instead of converting those broad match into phrase match, you need to figure out exact keywords, and for instance, you can do it. I can open one of the account to show you how does it actually work. For instance, I open this account, and in case I have to figure out my search terms, I just have to simply move to right over here, search terms, campaign insights and report, and I can figure out the exact search terms through which people are coming to my uh, to my website, and I can pinpoint those as well. You can see that, and I can have those added as my primary keyword like this, and exclude those which are not working well, and create my own uh, list of negative keywords, and that's how I can easily optimize my campaign. So yeah, this is a few data which I like to share with you guys, and I hope you answered. There are other factors as well: optimizing your campaigns, even optimizing your landing page offer, optimizing your ads, having ad assets and different ad assets extensions to optimize further. So I mean, there is so much data, but these are the few things which I think that needs to be taken seriously. But again, a detailed audit of Google Ads account can tell a lot of things. And in case if you want to hire me and my team, you can hire us through the link in the description, and we look forward to working with you. So we are Google partner company, and again, it will be a pleasure. So yeah, do hire us, and we'll look forward in auditing, optimizing, or setting up your Google Ads account. We can also help in landing pages, SEO, a lot of things as well. So yeah, thank you for watching. Look forward to working with you.